iPhone 6s Plus ear speaker replacement guide. The tools we're going to need are tweezers for screw management, a plastic prying tool for unprying connections, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 00 or a 000 Phillips head screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, Apple's proprietary pentalobe screwdriver, a plastic pick for prying the screen apart, as well as a suction cup. We'll begin by powering down the iPhone. Locate the two pentalobe screws near the charging port. Use the pentalobe screwdriver to loosen the two pentalobe screws. Once they're loose, you can pull them out. If the screen is badly damaged, you can use a piece of tape to put over it to make sure that you get a good seal with the suction cup. Place the suction cup as close as you can to the home button. While pinching the frame with your middle finger and your thumb, go ahead and pull with your index finger in the suction cup and insert the guitar pick right near the auxiliary port. Go ahead and tilt it left to right to create the crack. Now go deeper in on the left side and then gradually deeper in on the right side as well. Take your time when you're unclamming the phone. To the right of the top of the battery, locate the shield that protects the screen connections. Go ahead and remove the 5 Phillips head screws that guard the shield. This will allow us to expose the screen connections and disconnect the screen. Go ahead and remove the shield. With a plastic prying tool, go ahead and disconnect the 3 ribbon cables by simply sliding the plastic tool underneath them and just popping them out of their sockets. On the top of the screen, go ahead and locate the bracket that holds in the speaker. It's screwed in with 3 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips head screws. And just lift the bracket out of the way now. From left to right, go ahead and pry back the front-facing camera. Hold it down, you can just pick up the earpiece speaker. Here's what it looks like up close. Reassembly. Align the speaker with its rubber guidance piece. With the speaker in position, you can go ahead and bend the camera right over it. While holding everything in place, go ahead and secure the bracket. Put it over the camera and secure it with the 3 Phillips head screws. The shortest one on the right, the longest one in the middle, and the slightly shorter than the longest in the left. Align the screen with the phone. Go ahead and pry back the 2 ribbon cables and connect the 3rd ribbon cable on all the way on the right side first. Take your time, make sure it clicks into place. You don't want a non-sturdy connection. Now the 2nd ribbon cable went all the way in the top. Once again, take your time, make sure they click into place. And then finally the 3rd one. Sometimes it takes a bit of time to get it to go into the socket correctly. Once all 3 are plugged in, go ahead and secure the shield over them. Starting with the middle, secure the Phillips head screw in the middle first, then the one in the top right, and then the remaining 3 Phillips head screws. With With all of the screws secure, we're now ready to clamp up the phone. Go ahead and pick it up. Starting in the top, tuck it in on the latches first, then start clamping it. Slowly on the left side, start going down and clamping it around the contour. Now turn the phone and do the same from the right side. Clamp it up. Once everything is firm and aligned, go ahead and resecure the 2 pentalobe screws. You can go ahead and insert them into their slots first and then tighten them up. Now power on and test the phone. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe and check out more awesome videos at appledollars.com.